Hello everybody and welcome to Code Guy. So today I'm gonna show you how to make an enemy in GDevelop. So first, let's make our zombie or enemy. Yeah, enemy. Let's create our enemy. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Press sprite again. Rename it to enemy, or how you like to call it. Let's press yeah. It will not have an animation, just make the idle and that's all. Idle. Maybe later I can make a video about like you know, enemy moments, animations or something. So it's loading Piskel. Okay, so let's make something like green slime or something. I'm just trying from my head. Okay, that's fine. This and this. Alright. Like this. Okay, this is an evil slime. And he wants to kill us. Don't trust him. Okay, so let's fill its eyes. And green? Yeah, that will do. Oh no, no. A little bit. This, yeah. That will do. Press save. And then it will appear here. Press apply. Wait, I need to check something. Okay. Then let's add our enemy to the game. Yeah, it's here. So let's drag it like this. Yeah, that will do. So yeah, let's go to the events. Yeah. Events. Yeah. Press here, or you can just right click and add new event below. Just you can press here. Like why? Delete. Okay. Add condition. I know it's so laggy or it's so slow. I'm sorry. I have a bad computer and I changed it to look like this. So press choose collision, but I will just write it down. Wait. Yeah. Oh, okay. Press collision. Select object, player, and enemy. It's like when player touches enemy, it will go to I don't know. Let's make game over screen. Yeah, that will do. Yeah. I will drag it here. Move up, and here. Rename it to. You can call it whatever you want. Yeah. I don't know why I writing game my to think, but I don't know, I will just write it. So let's go to my game over and wait, what? Look, okay, let's create a new text. Okay, and call it you die. Okay. Okay, apply, and then get it here. Okay, so it will appear here when it loads. Okay, so let's scale it up a little bit. Oh wait, I can't. Yeah, delete this. No, okay. Edit object, and yeah, size. Let's make it something like 50. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Let's drag it. Hey. Alright. So let's make a button. Wait. Okay. Let's make a button which makes you go to a main menu. Alright. Button. Okay, let's press apply and oh wait, no, I forgot to make the sprite. Wait. Do not press apply. Wait. Okay, make an animation that's just sprite. Let's just select I don't know. Okay. A button here. Select. Alright, it will appear here. Show here. It will appear here. Press apply. Okay, it appears here. It's just so laggy and I can't see. If you guys see, please don't feel like why you can't see. It appeared here or something like that. So let's make it appear here. What? Why is it so laggy? I don't know, I will do, when I do, I will come back. Okay, I did, and here's the button. Let's make the event. Add new event. Add condition. Mm, mouse and touch. No. Mouse button pressed or touch held. Buttons test left. Yeah. Left, and it's like when we press the button, it will send to like scene. Where is it? Scenes. Change the scene. Code. Or comma. I don't know how to say it. I just my main menu. Menu. My main menu. Okay. And yeah, when wait, no, I did it wrong. I need to make it like something like here, yeah. Button. When it press the button, it will go to like my main menu. So yeah, let's save the scene. Control S, or just go to File and Save. Okay, so let's go to my game scene, and here's our little zombie. So when players collides with enemy, it will go to my game over scene. It's basically it. It's simple as that. Oi, I'm sorry. So my game forward. Okay, so it's all done. Let's revive it. In my game scene, you can do this. So let me explain. When the cursor, or when you touch it, no, you understand it. It will change. It will go to my main menu, and what we did in my game scene was when player collides with enemy, it will go to my game over. Okay, let's try it out. I hope it doesn't lag. Okay, game is loading. Oh yeah. So let's try it out. Our animations are working. Yeah, let's try. What? What was that? It literally goes there. Oh, I understand it. When you press here, when you don't press it, just do like this, it will go to story again. Let's fix that. So no, I understand what I did. What I did wrong. Wait. Mouse pressed. Wait, how I didn't like my main menu? I just forgot what to do, and I need to look at here. Oh, so I did the cursor slash touch is on button and left mouse button was released. Okay, I can make that. Wait, first I did was where is that? Oh, here. Mouse here. Button. Wait. And was released. No, not this. Left. Alright, let's press OK and let's try it out. Let's just... Oh wait, I'm on the wrong game menu. I need to go to my game scene and press. Alright. Game's loading. Yeah, the game's load. Let's try it out. I hope it does work. Yeah, it's working. When we click here, it will show here. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. And I see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.